What's that you say? A bit of Mini? Why not? Welcome back to Bark Speed, the home of this little baby, Project Mini, and loads of work, LWK, hashtag. So basically, it's been nearly a year. I've been at home with another project. Bought a Sprinter back in October, November time last year, and I've converted it into a 4-sleeper camper with a toilet, heater, and other bits and pieces. Some of you may have seen it. I've posted pictures on Facebook, but now that's finished, back to this little baby. And today I came over, fired up my compressor, and done a bit of painting on the front there. Just done that, blew that in, blew this corner in. Had an issue with the gun at first. It was spluttering all over the place, and realised there's a little regulator thing on the bottom of it where you can turn it up or down. What I should have done, and I didn't do, was do a couple of test sprays on a piece of wood just to get the gun working properly. It's only etch primer, so you know, note to self, I will be doing that next time. But yeah, back to the Mini. We are going to crack on now. I say we, me, going to crack on. I'm going to hopefully get this finished by the middle of next year. And the reason why I've given myself quite a long time to do it is because in the middle of next year, my Mini becomes 40 years old, and it won't it won't need an MOT, and it won't need to pass any emissions, so it becomes classic. It's got classic status, so that's really where I'm aiming to be. I've been cracking on. I've been doing work on the engine, little bits and pieces as and when I've got time, and I've also done quite a lot with the body. My mate Dave's came over, he's helped me out, and yeah, I forgot all about this little baby. It's been sitting in my workshop, and I really need to give it a bit of love. It deserves it. It's as I say, it's 40 years old next year, and I'm 50, so you know, it's only 10 years younger than me. But to be honest, if I'd have been kept outside and abused like this poor little baby was, I'd probably look a lot rougher than I do. Anyway, I'll send over some pictures. I did take a few pictures and a few videos of it, what I've been doing, and I say welcome back, and hopefully we'll crack on, get the Bark Speed name out there, and yeah, nice one. Anyway, thanks for watching, and stay safe. Right, so basically what I've done, as you can see, is this was black this morning, and I've blown it over and blown up the pillars and across the top, just to get the base coat on, and I can flat that off. It's run a little bit here and a bit further down because I had the problem with the gun, but now the gun's working all right. The only downside is, I don't know if you can hear, my compressor that I got from my dad's friend who passed away. Sadly, when I drained it out, it was full of crap in the bottom, and it's actually rusted through. So I just found out this morning it's got a hole in the tank, so it's pretty much a bin job, unfortunately. So I'll be on the scrounge for a new compressor, I think. Anyway, there we go. And if I say, I'll show you around the back. Right, so I don't know if you can see that, but in here I've made a start taking off the bracketry that goes in here. So this is one of the brackets. This one goes this side, and there's another one here that goes in there, and then we've got to weld that in. That's thing. My mate was coming over today, but he's had a leak in his boiler, so he's not going to be able to come, which is a shame. But I thought I'd come down here anyway. Last time he came over, which was about 6 weeks ago, we did a little bit of welding. We've done that there. You can see put the new seal on, top steel, and we just got to finish off. Got to just spot a few tacks on that and seal that in, because pattern panel didn't fit properly. We had to do a bit of cutting and shutting, which we've done now. Yeah, so it's all starting to take shape now, which is cool. Forgot now how much fun it is. Anyway, thanks for watching. Right, so now what I'm going to do is show you how to mix up some paint. On the side of these containers, it's got little markings, and the markings show how to mix it up. One part, and then the next part activator, and then 20 or 10, 20, 30% thinners. So we're going to pour the primer into this one, and then the activator up to there, and then the thinners up a bit further. And there's my lovely primer. I'm just going to give it a little stir like that. Make sure I've already stirred it before I started filming, but yeah, so we'll put that in there, mix that up, put that into there. Then we got activator, and then thinners, and he wrote on there 20% for me, so I know exactly how much to go in. Right, okay, so you can see there right up to the line. Now the first couple of times I did this, I realised that you shouldn't stir it in the pot until you've filled all the different measurements up. Then you can stir it, because what happens is obviously the paint coats the inside of the tin or the plastic cup, and you can't see how much to pour in with the rest. So now we're going with the activator. I'm pouring the activator in up to the mark between there, and then to my 20% thinners. So there's my activator going in, and then now 20% of thinners on the top. There's my 20% thinners on the top, and at the moment it looks like a nice cocktail, something the wife might be proud of. She likes making cocktails, so I don't think she'd want to drink this though. Right, now we need to mix it up. So here we go, wish me luck. There we go, mixing. Right, I'm gonna have to stop the video because I need to mix this up properly. Here we go, all ready to go in my gun. And here we go. Okay, so there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Yellow to grey primer, ready for the next part, which I think will probably be up there. We'll see. Right, the primer's gone off now, and it's hard. And there's a little video of inside and out. So if you like what you see, and you can tell your friends, please do. Remember, Bark Speed, we're on YouTube, and also hashtag LWK, which is loads of work, Keith. Okay, bye for now, and tune in next time. Thank you. I think I better go home.